Well, hello, Coffee Time friends. How are y'all doing? It is August. Whew.
Yay!
One more hot, sweaty month that separates us from the burrs. September, October, November, December.
You like the burr
I love the
months.
burr months. They're cooler, and I love fall, and all things pumpkin and orange. I love all that. But Mama's favorite color is red.
Oh, yes.
Mama's red apron, Mama's red cup. So, in honor of Mama's birthday, we are having a special on the Etsy store. I will tag the post right above this video. And you can get this coffee cup or bistro cup and this apron that Mama's wearing. These are her favorite things. So that's the reason we picked these for $30. It's over a $5 savings right there. So
Yeah.
that's for Mama's birthday. There's no code or nothing. It's a special, it's got its own little side on there, and you'll see Mama with a cup and a red apron on. And that's for her birthday. We also still have some of our summer specials, even though summer's quickly leaving. Mama's lemonade, and it's a good run. And we have them on both sides of those. And it's a good run, is what Dad always said, and I still say it. He'd taste Mama's lemonade, and he'd say, that's a good run.
That's right. He would every time.
And so that's a little bit of honoring of him. And then Mama's lemonade. And Mama's lemonade recipe will be inside the cup and on a piece of paper. So some of y'all had asked for that, and the people at the Etsy store said, well, sure, we can put Mama's recipe right in there for them. So her lemonade recipe will be in a little card inside of here, and these are beautiful yellow cups. Everywhere I've taken mine, people have said, I love that cup, and I said, well, thank you. So there it is. And
Such a pretty color of yellow and
yeah, Mama likes to use hers too. Mama's lemonade. We drank lemonade out of them the other day, and it was tasted better, didn't it, Mama?
I think it did. All in your mind.
It did change. It did keep it cold.
Oh,
Kept
yes.
it fresh.
And
So-
it'll keep cold for a long time.
That's right.
The next time I'm going to make it, I'm going to use one of the ice trays, freeze me some lemonade,
Oh, yeah.
and put lemonade ice cubes in with my lemonade.
Mom, that sounds good.
And it
And you know what else we could do? If you
As
want,
it melts, it'll just do you. It'd be good to the last
yeah.
drop.
what else we could do is mix up some strawberry and make the ice cubes out of strawberry and put them in our lemonade, and we'll have strawberry lemonade.
I like just a regular
I know.
old
I'm
Rouse.
just giving you an idea, Mama.
Oh, that would be for a change.
Now, you know,
Yes.
Mama ain't gonna step outside the norm. And I'm surprised she's even doing the lemonade in the ice trays.
I think that would be good, and that way
Oh,
you
it'd be
would
wonderful.
drink every last drop, and it wouldn't be watered down.
Let's do that today, Mama. Why put off today what we can eat tomorrow?
They
let's
said
eat it
that wrong.
today.
You said what we could eat tomorrow.
I mean, why put off to tomorrow what we can eat today?
That's right.
Or drink, lemonade, whatever. Oh, thank you for correcting me, Mama.
Oh, you're sweet. You're welcome.
It's Mama's birthday month. August the 4th is her birthday, but we're going to do this sale all month long. Red cup. Show them here, Mama.
Oh, yeah.
Red coffee cup. I love the handle. It's my perfect size
My
cup.
whole hand goes in it. Look here.
I like the way it feels on my hand, too. And red cup, red apron, $30. And there's a special site on the link. So when you go into the link, you'll find it. Click it, and it's a special site for that special, so you don't have to order them separate. Don't order them separate. Order them from the exact link that shows them together, and you'll get them for
$30.
$30. Great deal. So
And I'll
visit our
be
Etsy store.
73 years old young on August.
Well,
the
happy birthday early, Mama.
Well, thank you. I think you've already started telling me that.
I know. We celebrate her birthday year round, or Christmas, or something. You're always special, Mama. Thank you.
Thank you.
So we appreciate y'all, and check out the Etsy store, and check out the special for the month of August.
There's nothing no prettier than red.
Mama says that all the time. She loves red.
Red.
I'm surprised she don't have red hair. You want to go red hair for autumn, Mama?
No, I'm too young for that. 73 years old.
We should have done your hair in a nice red to match the apron and the cup.
Oh yeah.
Happy birthday to you.
I was gonna wear red, but red on red don't show up.
No.
So this this is what I wore to church. So
It looks good, Mama.
yeah.
All right, folks, we're going to go and leave y'all alone and check out this Mama special for her birthday. No code or anything on this one. Just select it from the birthday special site on the Etsy page, and I'll put the link right up there. Y'all have a great day. Have a great month. So we'll talk to y'all later. Bye.
Bye-bye, Mama. Bye-bye.